Ooh. Well, if you're watching this video, you know it's late. Yeah, last minute mossing because it rained, it got cold, I got lazy, work started, and I'm mossing at like around 10 o'clock. So you kind of figure out what time this is. I'm doing it live right now. Don't have enough moss, but it is what it is at this point. So I don't know. It's a lot of work. But if you're prepping for a show, you understand what I'm talking about. This is maybe one of the trees I'll be showing at the Winter Silhouettes. It's coming up. I hope you guys will show up Saturday or Sunday. And it's actually this weekend. So this is really a last minute video about show prepping. So try to get all your trees done way before time, but I think the last little hole right there, the last time it rained in Southern Cal, it's too cold to work. I'm still cold to work outside, but you know, desperate times ask for desperate measures. So try to prep your trees beforehand. Try to moss your tree like at least a month ahead, or try to find moss ahead. But you know, rain didn't help out. And if you run out of moss, you don't need really moss back if you run out of moss. But I might ask people that have extra moss and then can finish this up. But anyways, this is one of the trees. This is a I think this is Kiyohime. Kiyohime triple trunk with a really gnarly nabari. This is actually, technically the nabari actually goes to here. That's buried still right now and slowly exposing it. But it's really cool. I think this is one of them. I kind of opened up some of the branches so you can see through them. I think it's really cool. This is, I've been like sitting here for a couple hours going, do I really want to show this tree? The other one, you actually see the one right in front of you. It's another Kiyohime. That was my original one. It's really ramified really well, really dense. I might bring both. That one still needs a little work on it, but moss has been growing on that forever. That one needs to probably get repotted, but that's that's what I'm up to right now at 10 o'clock. But anyways, without further ado, here's your events for January, February, and a little bit of March. So I'll put things right here for you, right in front of this tree, what's coming up, or what is coming up in the month of January. So of course, the month of January, we do have our Winter Silhouette show this weekend, 17th, 18th, at the LA Arboretum from 10 o'clock to 4 o'clock daily. And that's at LA Arboretum in Ayers Hall. Hope to see you guys there. Of course, if I'm doing something or I'm not available, whatever, wave, say hi, love the video, whatever, be real excited. You can probably be in a video too. Of course, I'll be recording the show. If you're not able to attend, I will be probably doing a couple of short videos, just different aspects of the show, probably a pre and a post, and then some artist insights, so, or highlights, that's what we like to call it. Again, this is the show this weekend. Love to see you guys. We do have a Saturday night reception. Of course, you were invited to that one. If you're, yeah, you can read it right here. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, or no, it's not sorry, Saturday or Sunday, and Sunday. Continuing with this theme of winter silhouettes, the Winter Shohin show or school. Winter Shohin School, excuse me, is going through January 31st to February 1st at the Lincoln Park Harrison Rec Center in Alameda. And that's, of course, being put together by Jonas Dupuy and Andrew Robinson. So they're putting that lovely show. And that's Alameda, it's in San Francisco, excuse me. And continue in February, February 21st and 22nd, the Penjing Bonsai and Viewing Stone, or I think it's better known as the Southern Breeze, is putting their show together at the LA, at the Huntington Library during Lunar New Year. So there'll be a double header there at the Huntington Library during, again, February 21st and 22nd. And then at the end of February, still at the Huntington Library, is the Bonsai-a-thon. That's happening from February 28th through March 1st. Of course, our guest artist for that day is Sergio Khan from Pennsylvania. He's really famous, or he's really known for deciduous material. If you're in the area, really great time to come by and then meet Sergio. Unfortunately, I will not be here that weekend. I'll actually be in San Diego at the California Region 4 VEX State Championship. So if you're in San Diego, if you're on Sunday, come say hi. I'm in Hotel Circle. And then to round off kind of March, what I have in Southern Cal, that is on March 28th, the second annual Bonsai Friends Sales going on in Garden Grove. I'll put the little post right here for you guys. That's put together by Gabriel and Ron, so you guys can contact them if you want more information. And then in about a year from now, technically, on February the 7th, 8th, it is the 2027, Pacific Bonsai Expo. That's happening in Alameda Fairgrounds. Again, that's put together by the trio, Eric Schrader, Jonas Dupuy, and Andrew Robertson. Flyers right there. Save the date. Probably a great time to book a hotel if you're doing there. It is not in San Francisco. I don't think, I honestly don't know how to get there from there. So you might want to start do some research. If you're going to fly in, drive in, you might need to rent a car, so I'm not sure. But save the date. That's February the 7th and 8th. And of course, that kind of wraps up this really short vlog for January. Of course, our shows this weekend. Love to see you guys there. And I'm still deciding which two trees to figure out. I might bring both of them and have Lindsay decide. They're both kind of moss. I just need to clean them up a little bit. But again, thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.